3 days, new ideas, new possibilities. At Sultanul Uloom College of Pharmacy, students stepped beyond the classroom to explore digital marketing, innovation, and entrepreneurship. First, hear their stories, then experience the complete journey of this inspiring workshop. Don't miss the full story. Watch till the very end.
Hello everyone, myself Amara Ashraf.
Myself Marhan Nasir. Myself Juwaria Fatima. Myself Mehek Singh. Myself Safura
We are
Taran.
the students of B Pharmacy second year at Sultan Ulum College of Pharmacy. We had a 3-day workshop at our college and we are very excited because of how innovative ideas we were able to experience here. Through this workshop, we are looking forward to learning branding and gaining healthcare solutions and creating impactful solutions for the society. We gain practical insight and develop skills that will be valuable for our future career. This experience has been very insightful for us, and we were able to understand the basics of digital marketing and entrepreneurship that is not usually covered in our academic curriculum. And we were able to enjoy the sessions very much because of how interactive they were. And now
So we
over
had
to
a
my
great
friend.
experience with Professor C.S. Mujibuddin, the founder and CEO of Clinisol Research Private Limited. Under his guidance, we were able to curate ideas regarding our professional business models, where we established and curated the entire business model along with the revenue model, and it was of great help.
Hi everyone, I'm Shireen Bhatt, a PharmD versus student from Sultan Ululum College of Pharmacy. We had a 3-day hands-on workshop that was focused on marketing, digital marketing, and pharmapreneurship. And on the first day, we made posters. We learned to make teams together and to lead the team. We also learned how collaboration works, how marketing works in general, and we learned a lot of new facts about it. On the second day, we had to market for an already made company. We had to market through LinkedIn. We learned to make LinkedIn profiles. We learned to market through LinkedIn profiles. And we also made reels. On the third day, which is today, we made our own company. We had to market it online from front of everyone. We needed to do a presentation, and now it's all done. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Hafsa Mariam from PharmD second year. So our startup is basically based on the idea of surplus restaurant food materials, food wastage happening over the period of time globally, which is one third of the food produced every day, which is being given to the most potential customers out there, such as working professionals, students, and people or family members who are budget conscious. This idea is simple and basically economically based and socially environment friendly. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I'm Nimra Sheikh of PharmD first year from Sultanam College of Pharmacy. We presented our own startup idea for Bloom Her Soul. We are excited to say that it's a community driven brand dedicated to empowering women and fostering meaningful connections. At Bloom Her Soul, we believe that when women are supported, inspired, and protected, connected, they can make endless opportunities and present them for personal and for professional growth. Our vision is captured in one line, which says, four pillars, one community, infinite possibilities. Through our four pillars, we aim to create a supportive community where every woman feels valued, heard, and inspired to reach full potential. By combining a strong community foundation with sustainable marketing, diverse revenue schemes, and future expansion plans, we believe Bloomer Soul can create a lasting impact. As I conclude, our journey is just beginning, and we invite you all to be a part of it. Together, we can build it a future shares where women shares their opportunities together and grow together for self-care. Jazakallah khair.
Sultanul Uloom College of Pharmacy, in association with Clinosol Research Private Limited, recently organized a 3-day hands-on workshop on digital marketing and pharmapreneurship. The program provided pharmacy students with practical, industry-oriented learning beyond the classroom. The workshop began with a welcome address by Professor S.K. Syed Hussain. He highlighted the importance of developing entrepreneurial and digital skills alongside pharmaceutical education. The sessions were conducted by Professor C.S. Mujibuddin, founder and chief executive officer of Clinosol Research Private Limited. Through interactive sessions and real-world examples, he made learning engaging and practical. Over the 3 days, students explored the fundamentals of digital marketing. They learned about search engine optimization, content creation, branding, customer engagement, paid advertising, marketing analytics, website planning, lead generation, and campaign development. Through practical assignments, group activities, and case studies, participants gained valuable hands-on experience in building effective digital marketing strategies. The workshop also focused on innovation and entrepreneurship. Students were encouraged to think beyond traditional career paths and explore new opportunities in healthcare and business. On the final day, aspiring student entrepreneurs presented their innovative products and business ideas, showcasing their creativity and entrepreneurial spirit. The program concluded with a valedictory function. Professor S.K. Syed Hussain appreciated the continuous support of Principal Dr. Anupama Koneru in promoting skill-based and industry-oriented learning initiatives. Professor C.S. Mujibuddin thanked the college management for organizing the workshop. He encouraged students to continuously upgrade their knowledge and make effective use of digital platforms to build successful careers and businesses. Certificates were presented to all participants. Professor C.S. Mujibuddin and Miss Uma Priya, co-founder and director of Clinosol Research Private Limited, were also felicitated by the college for their valuable contribution to the workshop. The 3-day program successfully equipped students with practical knowledge, entrepreneurial thinking, and digital skills, preparing them to become future-ready healthcare professionals and pharmapreneurs. For more inspiring campus stories, academic achievements, and exclusive event highlights, follow Mags Horizon on Instagram, subscribe to the Mags Horizon YouTube channel, and follow Sultanul Uloom on Facebook. Stay connected for more updates from our vibrant campus community.